Paw Patrol, ready for action, riders, sir.
Thanks for hurrying, pups. Daring Danny X has been kite surfing in this wild, whirly wind, and now his harness is loose. We need to fix his harness and get him safely back on the ground. Sky, I need you to use your supersonic wings and super flying skills to catch up with Danny and help get him down. Rocky, I'll need your tools to fix that buckle on his harness to make sure the kite stays attached to him. Paw Patrol is on a roll!
Danny's headed right for that bird. Daring Danny X! Eagle!
What?
Up ahead!
Whoa! Ooh. That was amazing, Sky! You gotta show me some of those tricks.
After you land.
All this flying is making me hungry. I could really go for a snack. That made me lighter, which makes me go higher, faster. Whoa, whoa. Hey, where'd all the clouds go? Oh no, that means I'm headed for outer space.
Danny, you seriously have to come down. No, don't yank it so hard. Stay still. I'm gonna fix your buckle. Ruff, ruff. Claw. Uh-oh, Ryder! Danny's falling.
Okay, pups, we don't have a second to waste. Chase, I need you to get out there and launch a net.
Chase is on the case.
Here he comes!
Woohoo!
Pups, get closer. It'll loosen the net. Gotcha!
Phew!
Hang on, Danny. Next stop, Adventure Bay.
Hooray! I'm good.
Rusty's Sky Pie delivery. Go long, Ruby. I'll throw it super far this time.
You got it. Oh, no!
Oops.
Wow, Mr. Higgins' store is great at catch. How are we gonna get it down?
Never fear!
Officer Carl, you can help us?
What? Oh, no. I was just practicing my superhero voice. Sounded good, right?
It sounded great, but our toy is stuck on top of Mr. Higgins' store.
Ooh, this is the perfect time to use the superhero voice. Never fear, citizens! I shall retrieve your throwing disc. Look both ways. And go.
Hooray!
Amazing!
Here you go.
Thank you, Officer Carl.
All in a day's work, young citizens! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oop! Oh no, my lunch! Sandwich, good. Yogurt, good. Slice of blueberry pie? Squished!
Hey, Officer Carl, how about we make you a new pie for dessert to thank you for helping us?
Really? Hooray! My lunch break starts in a little while. Can you be back soon?
No problem. Pie coming up.
Bye, kids!
Say hello to Rusty's automatic pie maker. You put ingredients in, and a pie comes out. Bitch, grab the ingredients.
We only need a tiny amount to make one pie. Wait! Stop! Oh no! That was enough ingredients to make 100 pies!
The machine is overloaded. Everyone get back. It's gonna burst. Whoa! That's amazing. But it's way too big for Officer Carl's lunch. We need to make a smaller one.
We can't. We're out of ingredients.
Well, then let's hope Officer Carl is really hungry. But how can we get this massive pie to him?
Oh, I know. Bits. Do you think he can lift up the pie? What if we turn it sideways?
Great idea, Ruby. We'll roll the pie out of the yard and right up to Officer Carl. Okay, Jack, tilt the pie. Whirly, keep it steady. We're gonna need someone strong to push this. Botasaur! We need to roll this pie to town square.
I'll call Officer Carl and tell him dessert is on the way. Cool.
Is the pie ready?
Yep, we'll be there soon.
Ooh, perfect timing. My lunch break is just about to start.
Ruby?
Oh! Gotta go by. We have to stop that pie.
I've got a plan. Whirly, grab a robotic arm from the yard. Ruby, give me a hand with this arm.
On it, Rusty.
We'll speed up to the pie and grab it with the robotic arm.
After that pie! Everyone, get out of the way! Runaway pie! Nyur! Surrender, Earthlings! Oh no! Liam!
Move out of the way, Liam! A giant pie!
A giant pie? Come to Liam!
Oh, no.
Aww. Car!
I've got it!
I'm gonna get some blueberry pie. My, oh my. Can't wait to fill my tummy. Blueberry pie so yummy.
Whew, that was close.
How are we gonna get the pie down from there? If we don't get that pie down, Officer Carl will be really disappointed. He's super excited about it.
Can't wait to fill my tummy. Ooh, it's almost pie time. I'd better get to town square and get ready for lunch. Pie dance. Break it down, Carl.
We better get that pie down before it falls.
Yes, it wasn't a dream. It looks really cool up there, like a big, delicious alien flying saucer. Flying? Great idea, Liam. I had an idea. Yay me!
We'll build something to fly the pie down. Let's combine it
And design it.
First, we'll start with a massive saucer, the same size as the pie.
Then we'll add powerful jet engines to lift it off the ground.
And finally, some super strong magnets to stick to the pie tin so we can lift it off Town Hall. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified,
Customized?
Rustified. The pie in the sky 3.14.
You've got to hurry. Officer Carl's lunch break is soon.
Let's go save a pie and make Officer Carl's day.
Whoa! Yes! The aliens are coming to bring us pie! Pie in sight. It's starting to fall!
We've got to hurry. Lowering magnets.
tummy. I thought my pie would be here by now, too. Where are they?
Magnets attached.
Time to fly a pie sky high.
Uh-oh, Rusty! Incoming! Hungry seagulls!
Oh, no, you don't. Not this pie.
Rusty, we just knocked off a magnet.
We did? Okay, but we've still got two.
Try those trees ahead.
Yeah.
Hard left. Rusty, we lost another magnet. We've now got one magnet holding a giant pie, hungry birds following us, and no trees left to lose them in.
I'm on it, Ruby. Now let's hurry and get dessert to Officer Carl before we lose this pie.
Too late!
We need more speed. Turbo pie power.
Where are Rusty and Ruby with my pie? Is that a giant blueberry pie?
I got it!
Wow! What a pie!
Nice work.
And what a delivery! So dramatic! Bravissimo!
Well, things didn't go quite like we planned. But we're glad we made it in time.
We hope you like the pie, Officer Carl. It's as big as your heart.
Ooh, this looks delicious! Thanks, kids!
Woohoo! Giant pie! I'm gonna swim in it!
How about you just have a slice?
That works too.
Time! Calling all trains! Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission! Today's mega mission goes to Race Nate! Yeah! The museum station night is all polished and repaired. You'll pick it up at Port Station, then deliver it to Museum Station so it can go back on display.
Sir Max, I, Nico the Knight, would like to join Sir Nate. I can guide him on his quest.
Of course, Sir Nico. Now you're ready to make tracks!
Time to load you up, Night Nate.
Good day, brave sailor.
Hi, Nico. Hi, Nate.
Onwards to stop the night and rescue the cheese.
What? The armor's full of cute little mice? Tis done and delivered.
Sea Patrol, ready for action, Captain Ryder, sir! The map Matea brought us shows the area where Carlos and Tracker are stranded, but there are lots of islands around there. Sky will use her parasol like a super tall crow's nest. That way, she can spot which island has a big mountain on it. That's where we'll find Carlos and Tracker. And Zuma. Since we know there's booby traps there, you'll scout ahead for them on your watercraft. Sea Patrol is on a roll!
Sea Patrol is on a roll!
Looks like we're getting close to Carlos and Tracker's Island. Sky, time to be our sky-high scout.
There's the island with the big mountain from Carlos's map. I see them, and they look happy to see us.
Okay, Zuma, time to check the water up ahead for any booby traps. We need a clear path to the island.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Whoa! Booby traps up ahead! Look out!
Zuma, time to go into submersible mode. Rubble, launch your underwater construction rig.
Rubble on the double!
Captain Ryder, Rubble, you'll use your rig's big scoop to push on the pillar. And Zuma, you'll use your claw arm to pull on it.
Aye, Captain.
It's starting to fall! Get out of the way! Yo ho ho, we're ready to go!
Ready to go!
Welcome aboard the Sea Patroller, Carlos.
Thanks, Ryder. Rusty's Sick Fix. And fetch.
Maybe the yard isn't big enough to fetch with all the bots.
I think you may be right.
What if we took them to the jungle?
Looks like we're going to the jungle. I'll just gather up some supplies and we can head out.
You forgot to cover your mouth.
Robots aren't supposed to sneeze, and your tail isn't supposed to spin like that. Let's make sure you don't have any loose screws.
And I'll scan Botosaur and make sure all the circuits are working right.
Nothing out here. Let's check inside your nose panel. Maybe something in there is tickling you. Whoa! I'm okay.
Found the problem. Botosaur has a computer virus.
Don't worry, big guy. A computer virus isn't dangerous. It's just like a person catching a cold.
And it's easy to fix. I can put the cure on a microchip, and we'll be off to the jungle in no time. The cure.
Now we'll just put it in a magnet and attach it to Botosaur's chest.
And I'll send the fix to the modifier chip and make him better.
Awesome! This won't hurt a bit, buddy. Whoa, that was one big sneeze.
Don't worry, Tigerbot. We've got the cure right here. We just need to catch him.
Maybe you can help us. All right, Tigerbot, let's Tiger Bolt.
There's Botosaur.
Hang on, big guy. You'll be sneeze-free in just a second. Uh-oh.
Oh no, not Tigerbot 2.
Her sneezes are blasting her backwards.
Uh-oh, Tigerbot's heading toward the ice cream shop. She might crash into it. I'll take the biggest cone you've got.
Sure.
Liam, look out!
Watch out!
The ice cream cone!
Huh? I get that cone? Awesome!
Liam!
I'm okay. I always wondered what it'd be like to be inside an ice cream cone. It's dark. And it smells funny. Let's get this off of Liam.
Okay, if I shoot my grappling hook over that street light, we should be able to pull the cone off of Liam. Whoa!
That was fun! Thanks, Rusty.
Here you go. Whoa, what did I miss?
Tigerbot and Botasaur are moving all over the place. It's gonna be hard to reach out and put the microchips on them.
Reach, that's it! I know what to do. We can put extender arms on Botarilla, so we can reach out and not get sneezed on. We need Botarilla and the Mobile Rivet Lab.
For sure. Time to go mobile.
Botarilla, we need you to put these microchips on Botasaur and Tigerbot, so we can fix them.
But we're gonna make it a little bit easier for you first. Time for a quick modification.
Ice cream? No thanks.
Botarilla, now with super telescoping extender arms. Test him out, big guy. Can you put the cone back on top of Sammy's shop?
Awesome sauce with sprinkles on top. Thanks, guys.
Now let's get those chips on those bots.
Good luck!
We're catching up. Hurry! Botarilla, now!
Oh no, Tigerbot sneezed right on Botarilla.
Maybe he didn't get it.
He got it.
Now we just have to find a way to catch up to the bots.
Before they sneeze themselves off that cliff.
We have to get the microchips on the bots before they sneeze themselves off that cliff.
We're not big enough, fast enough, and we can't reach them.
Then we need to build something that can do all those things.
Let's combine it.
And design it. We'll start with a mech suit, so we're as big and strong as the bots. And it'll protect us, too.
Then we'll add jets so we can go super fast and keep up with the bots.
And finally, a chip launcher, so we can hurl the microchips onto the bots, even from far away. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified.
Customized?
Rustified. The Sneeze Stopper Suit 5000.
Times 2.
Let's go cure some bots. I'm coming, big guy! I can't get a lock on Botasaur!
I'll tell you when to launch the chip. Launch now.
The cure worked! No more sneezing from Botasaur! Ruby! Tiger Bot!
I'm on it. Phew! Good thing this suit is super strong. Launching chip now.
Nice shot! One more to go! Now!
Nice work.
Yes!
Barbarilla!
We've got this! Gotcha! You okay?
That means yes. Welcome to the jungle.
So glad you guys are feeling better. And fetch!
I'm not sure the jungle is big enough for all these spots either.
Milo reaches for the stars. Today's mega mission goes to Mechanic Milo. Woo! He'll pick up a big telescope at Port Station, take it to the top of Pointy Peak Station, and set it up so the kids can see the Choo-Choo Comet.
I'll go along with
Now you're ready to make tracks.
The telescope is all ready to ship out!
I can see Goldie from here. Hi, Goldie! Oh, hi, Birdie! Look, tunnel entrance up ahead!
What if we take it apart?
Now it'll fit through the tunnel.
Back on track.
Rocky, hey, Snowball, we made it! Milo, where's the stand that the telescope goes on?
It must have fallen off! It's mighty time!
The Choo-Choo Comet! The Choo-Choo Comet!
The comet was amazing!
My mail's flying away! This is quite the dilemma! I better call Ryder. Hello, Ryder! My truck is stuck in the muck, and my mail is up a tree!
Looks like you're sinking too. We're on our way. No mail truck is too big, no pup is too small. His truck is really stuck in that mud. Except that's no ordinary mud. It's quicksand. His truck is sinking. Qué malo.
It's a crying shame about my truck, but the real disaster will be folks not getting their mail.
Don't worry, we'll take care of everything. Let's get that truck out. On it, Ryder. Rawr! Winch. Okay, Chase. Pull.
Delightful. Thanks.
Now, Tracker, go bring down that mailbag.
I thought you'd never ask.
Rough cable. Got it.
Journey to the center of Sparkton Hills. Get it, Bites!
Come on, Botasaur, you can do it.
Aw, it's always so cute when a robot dog and a robot dinosaur play together. Whew, he's okay.
Yeah, but his tail came a little loose.
We can fix that up in no time. Come on. Sorry, Bites. Playtime's going to have to wait a bit while we fix Botasaur's tail. I think Botasaur is giving you his bone to play with. Come on, Botasaur. Let's fix that tail. Almost done, Botasaur.
It tickles, I know.
There. Your tail's as good as new. All right, big guy. You can go play with Bites again if you want.
Whoa, that's one big hole.
Yeah, who dug it? And where's Bites?
Bites dug the hole!
And he's stuck inside it! We have to get him out!
Great idea, Botasaur. You can super jump us down there.
There's just one problem. How can we jump down there if we can't, see down there?
Yeah, the hole's really dark. We need some kind of light.
Oh, I know what to do! Ray, we need you to go on Botasaur's head. And by that, I mean be a headlight.
Perfect. We have a headlight.
All right, big guy. Time to super jump.
Wow, this is a really deep hole.
Whew, big hole.
Rusty, look!
Whoa! It's incredible down here. Wait, did Bites dig all this?
No, it looks like these are old Sparkton Hill mines. They were made a long time ago. Bites must have accidentally dug into them.
Listen! It's Bites!
It sounds like he's in trouble. And really far down that tunnel.
Don't worry, Bites! We're coming! How can we get to him fast?
Oh, the tracks go that way. I know what to do. We need some bits on the fix. Whirly, I need you to fly a rocket booster down into the giant hole in the yard. Thanks, Whirly. All right. I'd recommend everyone hold on. Sharp turn coming up. Lean right. Lean left.
Who put a loop-de-loop down here? That's Bites! We must be close.
Oh, he's just ahead of us. Just past the end of the track.
Great! Wait, the end of the track?
I'm cutting the engines.
Lean back!
We're almost at the end of the track. Phew! That was close. And fun, but close. Listen, I hear Bites.
Uh-oh, he's trapped behind those rocks. We'll get you out of there, Bites!
Come on, guys, tunnel.
It's not helping. There are just too many rocks.
According to my calculations, it'll take us exactly forever to tunnel our way through.
If only we had some kind of super-sized tunneling device. Okay, Botasaur, let's combine it
And design it.
We'll start with Botasaur.
Then add a high-tech drill to his tail.
And last but not least, a helmet to keep Botasaur safe. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modify,
Customized.
Rustify. The Turbo Tunneling Botasaur 4000.
He's ready to tunnel.
Let's go save Bites.
Yeah! Woohoo! Keep tunneling that way.
We're almost through, Bites. Aw, it's good to see you buddy. But don't just thank us.
Yeah, Botasaur did the tunneling.
I'm glad you're okay. But what were you doing down here in the first place?
Oh, you were trying to bury Botasaur's bone.
No, wait! Botasaur, don't pull it! It could cause... that to happen. Run! Giant boulder! Giant boulder! This tunnel is a dead end!
We're trapped.
Wait, look! There's a way out! Botasaur, can you tunnel us up?
The boulder found us.
We did it!
It's the park.
Uh-oh. Did you remember to grab your bone down there, buddy? Well, good thing I did. I think he wants you to play too, Bites. It's always cute when a robot dog and a robot dinosaur play together.
A mighty Christmas.
Today's mega mission goes to our newest team member, Mandy Mail.
Really?
You'll go back and pick up the letters to Santa at Mail Station, then deliver them to the North Pole as fast as you can. Now you're ready to make tracks.
I don't know if all these letters will fit. Let me see if Max can send someone to help. There. Don't need any help. Bye. Don't worry, Andy. We'll save you. I could use a little help with this delivery. Santa's workshop.
Ho, ho, ho!
Done and delivered.
It's too late to make any more presents. It's time to make our deliveries.
Mandy to Max. Come in, Max. We need your help.
It's Rubble! In trouble!
What's wrong?
The wishing well turned Mayor Goodway into a frog. Then she ran after Chickaletta and disappeared down a hole under a big rock.
Don't worry, Rubble. No job is too big, no frog is too small.
I saw her go under this rock.
Nothing under here.
Is that a tiny hat over there? Yes! That's the teensy hat Frog Mayor Goodway was wearing.
It smells like frog. She went that way. Look, Ryder, tire tracks. Actually, I think these tracks were made by a trike. We know who rides a trike. Alex. Alex, do you have a frog with you?
I did, but I took it to the pond. How'd you know?
Lucky guess.
Sky, the frog mare's at the pond. Meet us there.
Oh, it's Sky! I'm down here!
The eagle! Mayor Goodway! Look out!
Oh!
Grab it.
and we'll catch her.
Hey, Eagle! Bet you can't catch me.
Ooh! I don't know if the mare's gonna make it to the pond.
I'll make a place for her to land.
A little to the left, a little to the right. Rabbit, forward, just a tadpole. See what I did there? Perfect. Rabbit.
Quick! I wish Mayor Goodway was human again.
I'm me again. Oh, thanks, Rubble.
Super Rusty versus Super Villain Bot. I'm open! Kick it to me, Ruby! Ooh, kick it to me, Rusty! For sure!
Oh, man.
I know how to get our ball back. All you need is a handy-dandy multi-tool. Yay!
Woohoo!
Awesome, Rusty.
Thanks,
Rusty's our hero! A hero? All he did was get a ball off a roof. I could be a better hero than that. In fact, I have a Fritz-tastic plan.
Introducing Villain Bot. Ta-da! I've programmed it to take things. Then I, Captain Fritz, will show up and stop it. Everyone will see that I'm the real hero, not Rusty Rivets. Yeah, you can help too, Frankfurt. You shall be the little stinker. Yes! It's alive! Now go take stuff, Villain Bot. Go!
Take stuff.
See? He even has an evil laugh. It sounds great, right?
Hey, that's our ball!
Take stuff. Take stuff.
Uh-oh. Oh, look! It is a Villain Bot! Why is Frankie wearing a superhero costume? Never fear! Captain Fritz is here! I'll stop that villain! Give us back our ball! Now I'll just flip off this power switch and everyone will think that I saved the day. Uh-oh. It's gonna be harder to shut off than I thought. The switch is stuck. Oh. You okay back there, Frankie?
Take stuff.
Good try, Frankie. But it's getting away! Wait! Stop!
We need something really fast and strong to catch that Villain Bot. Time to go mobile! Want to come with us, Frankie? No! Captain Fritz is going to save the day all by himself. Let's go, little stinker.
Take stuff. Take stuff.
All right, Ruby. Get as close to Villain Bot as you can. Then I'll use Claw to stop it and get everyone's stuff back.
You got it, Rusty.
Now! Never fear! Captain Fritz is here!
Rusty, watch out for Frankie.
Take stuff.
It took the hand right off Claw! After that, Villain Bot!
Take stuff. Take stuff.
some bits on the fix. Bits, we need help pronto.
Let's roll!
Whirly, pick something up and dangle it in front of Villain Bot, so he'll try to take it. Peppa! Ray, Jack, and Crush, you sneak up behind Villain Bot and trip him, and Rusty and I will open its hatch and get everyone's stuff back. Yoo-hoo!
Take stuff.
Never fear, Captain Fritz is here.
Frankie, wait!
Drat! Uh-oh.
Take stuff.
Where's Villain Bot taking Frankie?
I don't know, but we've got to rescue him. Hurry, Ruby! Hold on, Frankie! We'll rescue you!
Rusty, it looks really hard to climb down into that cave.
Too bad we aren't superheroes.
Wait, we could be heroes with super suits
And defeat Villain Bot. Let's combine it.
and design it.
We'll start with our mech suits to protect us from Villain Bot.
Then we'll add super arms and super legs to give us Mega Villain stopping strength.
And last but not least, we'll add rockets so we can fly like superheroes. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified,
Customized?
Rustified. The Superhero Rescue Suits 8000. Want to help us out, Ray?
Totally.
Woohoo! Yeah! Hey, where are they?
They must have gone into one of these tunnels. Don't worry, Frankie. We'll get you out. Whoa, look at all that stuff.
Frankie!
Boy, am I glad to see you guys. I mean, I could have rescued myself, but this gives you something to do. Ah!
Uh-oh.
Take stuff.
Let's stop Villain Bot.
Take stuff. You can't stop it. Its power switch is stuck.
Wait, what? Why do you know how Villain Bot works?
Ugh. I made Villain Bot. I wanted to be a hero and stop it, but the power switch got stuck.
We can turn that power switch off with our super strong arms.
Wait!
Forgot to mention, Villain Bot can fly!
So can we. Rusty and Ruby, go!
Hurry, before he flies up high! Ah!
I can reach the switch. Hey!
It's too high! Ah! Hey, I can see my house from here.
Hang on! You're no match for Super Rusty and Super Ruby.
Yoo-hoo, Mr. Villain Bot!
Take stuff, take stuff.
return all this stuff back to the right place.
That's gonna take a really long time.
Ugh. Okay, I guess I could probably help give the stuff back. And we can turn Villain Bot into Good Guy Bot to help too. Captain Fritz will save the day!
I've got it! Rusty's our hero!
Big Bart's Wild Ride. Today's mega mission goes to Great Nate. Chug-a-zoom! You get to take a Big Bart the Bull at Port Station and deliver him to Farm Station.
There's a couple of things you should know about Big Bart. For one thing, he doesn't like loud noises.
Loud noises, got it.
And also...
It's mission time. Gotta go, go, go.
Wait! There's one more thing!
Now you're ready to make tracks. Ahoy, skipper! Whoa, what's that sound? It's your delivery, matey. Bon voyage!
Wow! This bull statue looks really real! It is real! It's the end of the world!
Big Bart!
Hey, you there? That old softy Big Bart loves music. So to calm him down, you just have to sing to him. But he only likes opera.
Big Bart, it's okay. I'm here to save the day. Hang tight, you're doing great. You're safe with Great Nate. Done and delivered. Done.